Nongeye kubaha ikaze muri studio za One National Radio ijwi rya diaspora nyarwanda ivugira hano muri Amerika. Nkuko benshi mumaze kumenyera ikiganiro cya Visit Rwanda cyerekana isura y'u Rwanda n'icyerekezo ruganamo. Muri iki kiganiro nkaba n'abakoreye icyegeranyo ku mushinga wa Ellen Generes n'urugendo rwe mu Rwanda. Iki kiganiro mukaba mwagiteguriwe na Bati Karis ari nawe ugiye kukibagezaho. Ellen Generes ni muntu ki? Ellen yavutse muri Mutarama 26/1958 mu ntara ya Louisiana. Akaba avuka kuri Elliot Generes na Betty Generes. Ellen ni umunyamerika w'umunyarwenya, umunyamideli, TV personality, producer, aho mumuze mu kiganiro cyo cyitwa Ellen Show gikunzwe cyane muri Amerika aho gikurikirwa hafi miliyoni y'abantu ku munsi. Ellen yashakanye na Portia de Rossi, umunya-Australia, umunyamideli na uba hano muri Amerika. Ubwo Ellen yuzuzaga isabukuru y'imyaka 30 y'amavuko, hashize amezi 3 ashize ubwo umukunzi we Portia de Rossi yamutunguraga mu kiganiro yagize isabukuru y'imyaka 30. Maze mu impano y'ibihe byose yise The Ellen Generes Wildlife Fund. Ikigega cy'ubushakashatsi cyo kubungabunga imibereho y'ingagi n'imibereho yazo mu buzima bwa buri munsi. Reka mbashiremo video mwumve uko yabimwibwiriye amutunguye ku munsi w'amavuko byari mu kiganiro cya Ellen Generes Show.
Every day almost. So I put all that together and I got you this gift. So let's see it. Happy birthday.
When people ask my wife, who is the person living or dead you most want to interview, her answer is always Dian Fossey. Ellen remembers reading National Geographic at home as a little girl and remembers Dian on the cover of the January 1970 magazine. Ellen was struck by Dian's dedication to animals, her mind, and her bravery. Ellen read how in 1967, Dian Fossey set up a camp she called Karasoke in the Virunga Mountains in Rwanda. This is where Dian began studying several dozen gorillas, and at that time, Dian was alone in protecting them. Fast forward 18 years, and the world was sad to learn that Dian was murdered in 1985 in her cabin at Karasoke. Most of us know Dian's work from her book Gorillas in the Mist, which is legendary and carried on her story. Her story is also carried on through the work of the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund. The Fossey Fund exists to ensure the survival and thriving of wild gorillas in close partnership with the government of Rwanda. But unfortunately, today there are only 880 mountain gorillas alive on Earth. Thus, the work of the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund remains vitally important to ensuring their future. In Gorillas in the Mist, Dian wrote, "Little did I know then that by setting up 2 small tents in the wilderness of the Virungas, I had launched the beginnings of what was to become an internationally renowned research station, eventually to be utilized by students and scientists from many countries." So for your birthday, Ellen, I am bringing you and your hero Dian together by building the Ellen DeGeneres campus of the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund. Ellen, you will carry on Dian's legacy by giving them a permanent home in Rwanda. Now, you will join Dian as a protector and champion of these amazing animals, the mountain gorillas. Happy birthday.
Oh my God! Happy birthday. Right. But that's not all.
Oh my God.
So, in summer...
Is this in Burbank? Where is it?
Well, that's the thing. So, it'll be a most incredible center for tourism, education, and for further scientific research. So, here's actually kind of the best bit. I have also set up a foundation in your name called the Ellen DeGeneres Wildlife Fund. So this is the first initiative for the fund, but you can take this and do whatever you want with it. You've done amazing work for elephants, and you can just continue and support whatever you want to do.
It's the best gift. I've always said, and when we got married, Portia's line was, "It's good to be loved, it's profound to be understood." And she understands me because that is the best gift that anybody could have given me.
Ntibyatinze rero ibyari inzozi bihinduka impamo. mu minsi ibiri ishize rero nibwo Ellen yafashe rutemikirere maze yerekeza mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda ngo ajye gukabya inzozi ze anasohorezwe amasezerano yagiriwe n'umufasha we. Agisesekana mu Rwanda, Ellen yabonanye n'umukuru w'u Rwanda nyakubahwa Paul Kagame ndetse n'umuyobozi ushinzwe iterambere ry'u Rwanda RDB. Ubuyobozi bw'igihugu bwakiriye neza umushinga wa Ellen bamwizeza ubufatanye. Tubibutse ko iki kigega kije gisanga ikindi cyashinzwe na Dian Fossey nawe w'umunyamerika wakoze ubushakashatsi ku ngagi kuva mu mwaka w'1937 ari naho Dian Fossey yashinze ihema rya mbere ahitwa Karisoki mu Birunga. Nkuko mubyibuka neza, Dian Fossey aka Nyiramacibiri yabaye icyamamare mu bushakashatsi no kubungabunga imibereho y'ingagi yakoreraga mu Rwanda. Ari naho yaguye aziza abagizi ba nabi bamujije kuba yarabangamiraga kwica izo ngagi ku itariki 27 Ukuboza 1985. Ushaka kumenya neza ubuzima bwa Nyiramacibiri namusaba kuzareba filime yitwa Gorilla in the Mist. Wayibona kuri make cyane kuri Amazon $20 gusa. Kubera urukundo rwinshi Ellen afitiye inyamaswa muri rusange byatumye yubaha nakunda Nyiramacibiri ariwe Dian Fossey. Imwe mu mpamvu yatumye umukunzi wa Ellen amukorera iyo surprise ari nayo yanatumye Ellen yerekeza mu Rwanda. Potts yagize ati, nkuko mwayibonye muri video, Ellen, you will carry on Diana's legacy by giving them a permanent home in Rwanda. De Rossi said, now you will join Diana as a protector and champion of these amazing animals, the mountain gorilla. Twibukiranye ko ingagi ni kimwe mu byinjiza amadovize mu Rwanda aho zibarizwa mu gisata cy'ubukerarugendo. U Rwanda rwiteze gukuba kabiri amafaranga rwinjije mu bukerarugendo akava kuri $400,000 z'amadolari rukagera kuri $800,000. Twibutse ko Ellen yanasuye urwibutso rwa Gisozi ahari imibiri y'abazize Jenoside yakorewe Abatutsi mu 1994. Mwakoze kuri iki kiganiro cya Visit Rwanda, tukaba tubararikiye ibindi biganiro byinshi bikiza biganisha ku iterambere ry'igihugu, aho tugenda tuganira ku bantu batandukanye baza mu Rwanda cyangwa se bafite aho bahuriye n'iterambere ry'u Rwanda. Tubibutsa ko This is One Nation Radio mwadusanga ku mbuga zitandukanye kuri Facebook, kuri online, kuri www.onenationradio.org. Turi kuri Tune Radio aho dukora 24 hours. Mwadusanga handi ni ku mbuga nkoranyambaga Twitter, Instagram, hose tukaba duhari. Turamushimira rero abakunzi ba Nation Radio mu gutanga umusanzu w'ibitekerezo kandi muri abagaciro kuri twebwe. Murakoze nakagaruka yari Bahati Kalisa wa Nation Radio America.